The periodic table is an organized layout of chemical elements. Its structure helps us predict the properties and reactivity of these elements. Let us get to know the basic principles behind periodic table. Periods on the periodic table contain elements with the same number of electron shells. As we move from left to right, number of protons and electrons increase. This increase affects the reactivity of elements. Group is a vertical column that have 18 group and have a specific name in periodic table. The element have been arranged by the valence of electron. Metals, especially alkali and alkaline earth metals, become more reactive as you go down the group. Non-metals, especially halogens, become less reactive as you go down the group. Metals is good conductors, shiny, malleable, and reactive. Non-metals consist of elements that poor conductors, often gases and brittle solids such as halogens. Metalloids have both properties of metals and non-metals. Reactivity. What is reactivity? Reactivity indicates of how easily an atom can gain, lose, or share electrons to form new bonds with other atoms. For metals, reactivity increases down a group because the atomic radius increases and the outermost electrons are further from the nucleus. This makes it easier for the atoms to lose an electron and react. While reactivity decreases across a period because as we move from left to right, metal become less reactive due to increases nuclear charge, so it becomes harder to lose electrons. For non-metals, reactivity decreases down a group due to increases atomic radius. It's harder for atom to gain an electron because nucleus has less pull on incoming electrons. While reactivity increases across a period because non-metal become more reactive as they approach noble gas and increases nuclear charge, make it easier to attract electrons. To conclude, the periodic table arranges elements according to their atomic number, electron configuration, and recurrent chemical characteristics. Trends and connections between elements, including ionization energy, atomic radius, and electronegativity, are shown by its structure. This group helps forecast the characteristics of novel or unidentified elements in addition to making it easier to analyze chemical activity.